Hi, I'm here to talk to you about the high school Math 2 curriculum that your student will be covering this year. Last year they took Math 1, which is a traditional Algebra 1 curriculum. Math 2 and Math 3 cover traditional geometry topics and traditional Algebra 2 with trigonometry topics. They're just not all in one class, so they split them up and moved them around into the two classes. So the first part of our year will be spent on Algebra 2 topics, namely quadratic functions. That's the biggest part of our year. And then we also talk about other function families, and we do introduce them to the complex number system. The second part of our year is spent on traditional geometry course topics, and we do write two-column proofs, and we talk about congruence and similarity, and we do introduce them to some basic trigonometry topics. And then the last unit is our probability and statistics unit, so that doesn't take that long. And then they take the NCFE, which is their final exam. And they do not have to take the Math 8 EOG this year, so they just take one test, and it's their final exam, and it is 20% of their overall final grade, just like the Math 1 EOC counted. Once they get to high school, they have some options. They will walk in with another credit of high school graduation for this course, and so they'll have 2 of those from Math 1 and Math 2, and then they will that the grade does not transfer into their GPA, but it is showing up on their transcript. The courses will show up there, both Math 1 and Math 2. They will take Honors Math 3 or Math 3 next year, and then as a sophomore they will take Honors Pre-Calculus. Beyond that, there's 3 other courses that are available to them: AP Calc AB, and then AP Calc BC, and then AP Stats. And there's a variety of ways that you can combine those classes. I've listed some of them there. So you can take AB and BC at the same time. If you want to take it all at once, you just have it every day. If you just take AB by itself, it's an every other day class, and then BC would be an every other day class. And you can take stats with either one of those classes. So there's a lot of options that you can talk to your student's counselor about next year. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you for your time.